Welcome to TechWorld. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to download Google Chrome in Windows 10, 8, 7 and the likes. Okay, so first we have to open our browser. We are going to be using the default browser of the system, and also the link to the download location will be in the description box below, so you can check it out. So once you open your default browser, then you can go ahead and see a bunch of settings right here. We have to download Google Chrome, download Chrome, and a bunch of things right here. We can download Chrome using this up here. Just click on download Chrome right here, or you can download Chrome down here. And also you can also update Google Chrome using this link also, in case you're running an outdated version. And also there's a download location, download Chrome button at the bottom of the page also, so it's bombarded with that. And so when you're ready, just click on the download Chrome button. You should ask for your download location just in case, and you click on save. So the download should be fast depending on your network, and then you just double click on it and the installation will begin. So it will take about, mine took about 2 minutes because of my network, and depending on yours it might take longer or shorter than that. So once the download is complete, now it's going to begin the installation. The installation is automatic. It shouldn't take more than 30 seconds or less than that. So Google Chrome is opened automatically right here. It should ask if you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser, but in case it does not ask, just head over and type in settings. And so you open your settings right here, double click on it, and you click on apps. So once you click on apps, you can select the default apps. Under the default apps, you can select a new web browser. For me, I'll be using Google Chrome. So just select Google Chrome right here, and it should ask at times, but it might not ask, and that's just fine. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, ding the notification bell, so you'll be one of the first people to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tech content and more on Windows 10 software and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.